Hey, Kristen. I just had a phone call from a shop asking some questions about a DOI process. I know we have a class that we sell, but do you have any tips that you could offer them?
Yep. So tip one, it is a Department of Insurance complaint, and since body shops are not party to the insurance contract, it's always best that the customer files the complaint, not a body shop. Even though yes, some states will allow shops to complain. Part two, it's not a complaint about what you're not getting paid or what the insurer isn't agreeing to on the estimate. That's a technical issue and not necessarily a claims issue. So I always tell everybody you need to know in your state how the insurance companies are regulated and what are the parameters or guidelines that a DOI has enforcement, so that when you write the complaint, it's written within those directions and guidelines so that it's actionable. The more actionable your complaint, it doesn't mean the DOI is going to do something. It means that whoever's reviewing it on the insurer's side may change their mind on how to pay that claim because they don't want to respond to that complaint.